Welcome back to those on YouTube. We're probably going to end up just going with names of teams on this too, because there's a lot of the team names instead of player names. And I'll just let you know inserts and hits, because there's a lot of cards to go through in this box. Empty box. Doug, you're not even in the break. You'll hear me on when we get to hits and inserts. I'll pronounce names. Otherwise, I'm just going to go with teams. 76ers, Mavericks, Bulls. We got the Utah Jazz checklist, numbered 46 of 49. Really? They number the checklists? Okay. Jazz, Warriors, Thunder. We got Chicago Bulls checklist. This one's not numbered. I guess that one's just blue, so it's numbered. Alright. Clippers and a rated rookie, Trevor Booker for the Wizards. Not numbered. Got the Grizzlies, the Pistons, the Mavericks. We have production line, Darren Collison for the Pacers, numbered 706 of 999. Wizards, Trailblazers, Magic. We got the Warriors checklist, the Pistons checklist, and a rated rookie of Evan Turner for the 76ers. Hornets, Grizzlies, Cavs. We got a rated rookie, Kevin Seraphin for the Wizards. It's green on the bottom here, so that must mean that it's numbered low. That's my guess. Or it's not numbered at all. Those are my two guesses. It's even rounded off like die cut, and it's not even numbered, but the checklist was numbered. It's ridiculous. Filler card. Heat, Timberwolves, Heat, Rockets, checklist, rated rookie for Al Farouk, Eminu for the Clippers, yeah, and Timofey Mozgov for the Knicks. This is why I am not pronouncing all these names. We got the Bulls, and this is why I'm not doing another basketball or baseball break. I'm sticking to football. Grizzlies, Pistons. We got a production line, Ronnie Brewer for the Grizzlies. It's green, so it's not numbered. Spurs, Hawks, Clippers, Grizzlies checklist, Kings, and a rated rookie of Dexter Pittman for the Heat. Still looking for our first hit. We got the Nets, the Raptors, the Grizzlies, Dirk Nowitzki for the Mavs with the green and not numbered. Filler. Wizards, Spurs, Bobcats, Nuggets checklist, Lakers, and Elliott Williams for the Trailblazers, rated rookie. Cavs, Celtics, Pacers. We have a Craftsman, Andrew Bogut for the Bucks. That is shiny, numbered 88 out of 100. Nuggets, Bobcats, Timberwolves, Kings checklist, Suns, and a John Wall rated rookie for the Wizards. I know John Wall. Dana, you got the Timberwolves and Hornets. Bucks, 76ers, Rockets, production line, Rajon Rondo, not numbered. Magic, Wizards, Spurs, Nets, Luke Babbitt for the Trailblazers, rated rookie, and the Suns. Why was that on the back? We got the Bulls, the Grizzlies, the Pistons, the Bulls, Joakim Noah, not numbered, filler card, Kings, Damian James for the Nets, rated rookie, Cavs, Bobcats, Nuggets, and I know LeBron James. Sorry, Kyle. Celtics, Pacers. I'm not doing any of these anymore. Rockets, production line, Danny Granger for the Pacers, numbered 451 out of 999. Trailblazers, Magic, Hornets, Celtics, Derek Favors, rated rookie for the Nets, and the Suns. Bulls, Hornets, Pistons. We got a Ryan Hollins, Cavs, not numbered, filler card. Spurs, Bobcats, Nuggets, Bobcats, Xavier Henry for the Grizzlies, rated rookie, and Ron Artest for the Lakers. Where's all of our hits? Nets, Bucks, 76ers. Eduardo Nahara for the Bobcats. Dwayne Wade for the Heat. Timberwolves, Heat, Jazz. Andy Rottens for the Knicks. And for the Kings, somebody else. Rockets, Bulls, Celtics, Nets. Our first hit. It's for the Jersey Kings. It looks like it's for the Knicks. Too bad it's not a Jeremy Lin. It's Danilo Gallinari. Jersey autograph, numbered 47 of 49. New York Knicks are going to Will. Congratulations, Will. Nice jersey auto, numbered to 49. Trailblazers, Magic. Trailblazers, Spurs, Wesley Johnson for the Timberwolves, and the Suns. Grizzlies, Pistons, Nets, Nuggets, Kenyon Martin, not numbered, filler card. Just a checklist. Zar Hayward for the Timberwolves, and for the Suns, number base. Bucks, Grizz, Cavs, Josh Smith for the Hawks, nice and shiny, numbered 96 out of 100. Magic, Hornets, Hawks, Heat, Larry Sanders for the Bucks, rookie, and for the Lakers, another base. We got another hit, looks like. Celtics, Pacers, 76ers, Mavs, Magic, Trailblazers, Thunder, Hornets, Lakers, Gordon Hayward for the Jazz, rookie, and our next hit. Ooh, Magic Johnson, Masters jersey card for the Lakers. It's a nice jersey card to get. Numbered 185 out of 299. Going to you, Will. You got all the basketball luck. Nice Magic Johnson. Nets, Bucks, 76ers. We have John Stockton for the Jazz. Wizards. Grievous Valquez for the Grizzlies. And for the Knicks, another base. This is still taking forever. Cavs, Nets, Bucks. Okay, Eric Gordon for the Clippers, number 309 out of 999. Thunder, Wizard, Trailblazers, Suns. Greg Monroe for the Pistons and Bucks. '76ers, Rockets, Bulls. Production line for the Celtics, Kendrick Perkins, numbered 782 out of 999. Timberwolves, Heat, Trailblazers, Clippers, Patrick Peterson for the Rockets, and Lakers. These are really thick. No hit. Knicks, Bulls, Hornets, Trailblazers, Hornets, Hawks, Clippers, Hawks, Quincy Pondexter for the Hornets, and Jordan Crawford for the Hawks. Still got 5 more packs to go. Pistons, Knicks, Bucks, Larry Bird, Masters for the Celtics, not numbered. Hawks, Clippers, Jazz, Checklist, Paul George for the Pacers, and Kings. 76ers, Rockets, Bulls, Kevin Love, Jersey Kings for the Timberwolves, number 280 out of 999. Warriors, Thunder, Wizard, Trailblazers, Cole Aldrich for the Thunder, and Paul Gasol for the Lakers. Mavs, Hornets, Pistons, Kings, Spurs, Hawks, Clippers, Cavs, Suns, and Greg Monroe for the Pistons. Grant Hill still playing? Yeah, I'm sticking with the pigskin from now on. Oh, we got another hit, looks like. Jazz, Warriors, Thunder, Bucks, Kings, Dominic Jones for the Mavs. I have some boxes if you want to break them after this. Knicks, Bucks, Raptors, Rockets, and a Paul Gasol production line jersey for the Lakers, numbered 134 out of 399. This box is all you, Will. And our last pack, Cavs, Celtics, Pacers, duos, Kobe and LeBron. Kobe's on top, going to the Lakers. It's not numbered. Wizards, Blazers, Magic, Thunder, Suns, and Kevin Seraphin for the Wizards. We'll be back to do the Beat Homer bonus.